Hello, I'm Cynthia Caballes, your real estate partner. Let's talk about an important concept when applying for a loan, ang co-borrower. Kung nahihirapan ka ma-qualify on your own, may solusyon tayo dyan. Pwede kang kumuha ng co-borrower to boost your chances of getting approved. What is a co-borrower? Ang co-borrower ay isang tao na sasama sa iyo sa pag-apply ng loan. They share the responsibility for paying the loan. At titingnan din ng bank o pag-ibig ang kanilang income at credit history to evaluate your loan application. In simple terms, dalawa kayong nakalist as borrower and both of you are responsible for making sure na nababayaran ng loan. Kung hindi kayanin ng isa, kailangan mag-step in ang co-borrower. Ang main benefit ng pagkakaroon ng co-borrower ay malaki ang chance na ma-approve for a loan. Pwede kasi nilang idagdag ang income nila sa calculation. So, mas magiging malaki ang total income ng titignan ng lender. Plus, kung may better credit score ang co-borrower mo, it may help you get lower interest rates and better loan terms. Who can be your co-borrower? Ang co-borrower, pwedeng maging asawa, kapatid, magulang o kahit kaibigan. Basta trusted at willing silang sumama sa loan application. Pero remember, dahil co-borrower sila, shared responsibility ito. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi ka makabayad, co-borrower mo ang magbabayad ng buo. Remember din, dalawa kayong nakapangalan sa property title. So if you need a boost sa loan application mo, consider getting a co-borrower. They can help you get a bigger loan, better terms, and increase your chances of approval. Pero make sure na ready kayong pareho to share the responsibility. Teamwork is a key. Muli, ako si Cynthia, your real estate partner sa iyong house hunting journey.
Still have questions? I'm here to help. Message me anytime, and let's take the next step towards your dream home